Now let's begin with warm up. Come to downward facing dog. Lift your knees off the mat. Keep your feet hip width apart, fingers separated. From here, inhale, lift the right leg up to the ceiling. Exhale, right foot in between your palms. From here, shorten the stance. Keep your left foot flat, palms on your waist. Inhale, come all the way up. So you're in a medium stance. Interlock your fingers, stretch your arms up. You need to do any adjustments with your leg for your balance. Do it now. Palms facing up. Inhale, exhale, lateral stretch to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. It's just a warm up. Inhale, exhale, right. Go easy. Inhale, exhale, left. 3 more rounds. Inhale, exhale, right. Stretch the sides. Inhale, exhale, left. Inhale, exhale, right. Inhale, exhale, left. One last round. Inhale, exhale, right. Inhale, exhale, left. Inhale, come back to center, separate your palms. Now, inhale here. Exhale, take your arms from the sides, place it behind the right leg. We do this dynamic movement for a few more rounds. Inhale, arms from the sides, stretch your spine, lengthen the sides of your body. Exhale, arms from the sides, fold forward. 3 more rounds. Inhale, lift the chest up, don't bend back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, arms from the sides, stretch the sides of your body. Exhale, abdomen to your thigh. One last round. Inhale, lift the chest up. Exhale, fold forward. From here, release your fingertips on the floor beside your right foot. Inhale, lift the chest, look forward. Exhale, abdomen to your thigh, forehead closer to your leg. Inhale, come on your fingertips, lift the chest. Exhale, complete forward fold. 3 more. Inhale, lift the chest. It's like Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, complete forward fold. Inhale, exhale. One last round. Inhale, exhale. Take the left leg back, right leg back, downward facing dog. Repeating this on the left side. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, left foot in between your palms. Shorten the stance. Right foot is at an angle. Palms on your waist. Come up. Make sure your hip is facing towards the left toes. Any adjustments for your balance, do it now. Interlock your fingers. Turn your palms up. Inhale. Exhale, lateral stretch to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, exhale, left. Inhale, exhale, right. Inhale, exhale, left. Inhale, exhale, right. 2 more. Inhale, exhale, left. Inhale, exhale, right. Inhale, come back to center, palms facing each other. Exhale, arms from the sides, take your palms behind the left leg. Inhale, arms from the sides, lengthen the sides of your body. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, do with the breath. Exhale. 2 more rounds. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale. One last round. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, fold. From here, place your fingertips on the floor. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, palms flat, fold forward. Inhale, Ardha Utthana. Exhale, Utthanasana. 3 more. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, forehead closer to the leg. Inhale, exhale. One last round. Inhale, exhale. Bend your knees, step the right leg back, left leg back to downward facing dog. We have one more warm up. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale, right foot in between your palms. Stretch the left leg back, place the left knee down, toes pointing back. Stay on your fingertips. Inhale, Ardha Hanuman Asana. Pull the right toes towards you. Exhale, sink the hips, lift the chin up. Inhale, Ardha Hanuman Asana. Don't sit on your heels. Exhale, working on the hip flexors. Inhale, straighten the leg. Exhale, lift the chest up. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. One last round. Inhale. Exhale. Release, tuck your toes, step back, downward facing dog. On your left, inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, forward. Place the right knee down, stay on your fingertips, right toes pointing back. Inhale, straighten the left leg, pull the toes. Exhale, sink the hips. This will release all the tightness in your hips. Inhale, pull the toes towards you. Exhale, chest lifted. 3 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One last round. Inhale. Exhale. Step back to downward facing dog. Hold down dog for 3, 2, 1. Step your right foot forward, left foot forward. Palms on your waist. Inhale, come all the way up.